Virgo, this is a tarot reading for you, and oracle messages. This is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, or Rising, and it is a timeless reading for the moment in time that you find this video. So my intention is for this reading to unlock something within you or give you that confirmation that is helping your own intuition and your own heart to be that compass that you need. So the first card we have is Delight, and I love the colors in this deck. This feels like a very light and joyful energy. And you could be feeling that lately, where something is bringing you happiness and a feeling of gratitude, a feeling of contentment. This bird is taking a rest to enjoy nature and to really observe all of the beauty around her. So I want to get an animal spirit card now. Let's see if it's another bird. What other message for Virgo? What is this delight about? We have the snake spirit, time to heal. So 55 is also a number of change. It could be that you're feeling lighter because something is healing within you, and you know that it's just time to embrace this lighter side of yourself and to let go of any kind of heaviness, or you're on the other side of this transformation where you have shed an old layer or an old aspect of yourself, and that's really beautiful, Virgo. Let's get some tarot messages. Virgo, Sun, Moon, or Rising. We have Strength reversed. The Ace of Pentacles. And we have the King of Pentacles reversed. So there's another king showing up on the bottom, the King of Swords. And this feels like you are increasing your self-authority when it comes to cutting anything out that was not giving you this feeling of joy and happiness, and really healing from a thought system or something that hindered your relationship with stability or money. Because we have this Ace of Pentacles in the center here, this is a strong message that you have this brand new offer, and maybe it's even an offer you made to yourself, that you're ready to walk through this doorway and to really expand your sense of self-worth and value, and seeing the things in your life that hold that value. And if you felt like you could not make it through something, or there was something that you had to heal first before starting this new journey, this is letting you know that you're on that path and you're capable of this new start and of seeing things with this new vision now. And I want to get one more layer for these cards. What is the Strength reversed about? The Two of Wands reversed. We have the Chariot reversed and the Sun. So bottom of the deck, another ace, the Ace of Cups. This is interesting how we had the king here and the king on the bottom, now the two aces. This is letting your cup overflow with the feeling you need to be your foundation and to give you that spark and that contentment that you need in order to build everything off of. And we have the Two of Wands reversed here. So this just feels like use your strength right now to walk through this doorway and to embrace this new horizon. And even though things can be bumpy sometimes in one area of your life, it just feels like you're acknowledging that you have to keep moving forward here and that this hand is open for you to take it and to get that help that you need. Ask for help if you need to in some area, because everyone needs that helping hand once in a while. And we're here to collaborate and to grow together. So in the future, someone that gave you that helping hand when you needed it, you may be doing the same for them later on. And we have the sun here. So again, with this brand new beginning energy, and it's a new beginning that feels bright, and it feels like you are that brightness. And you're reflecting out this new attitude and this new positivity in life that feels refreshing, and it feels like you've gotten through something or you're about to. What is it that Virgo is healing lately? Wow, we have surrender. So the fact that you are surrendering to the process is what's allowing you to heal from whatever this is. And we have all these beautiful butterflies, a lot of flight and light feelings here. And this is exactly what we need to do sometimes, where we've done everything we could to take action, and there may be that one missing part that you just have to say, I'm trusting and I'm not doubting right now. So this is just really beautiful, Virgo. What other messages? What is this new beginning about for Virgo? Oh my God, you have birthing a new age. So the Sun card traditionally is the little boy and the horse, and this says birthing a new age, birthing new creations, dreaming a new world into being. So this feels like you have completely changed your world lately, and you've shifted your reality to be one where you are the ultimate creator, and you also let go of anything that doesn't feel like creation and life. And this also feels very centered and balanced here, and she's connecting above and below with her own energy. She is the conduit of everything beautiful and unique. So this is you. You're a part of this new renaissance, and although there are things that are phasing out, there's also this whole new world that is very connected to the earth, connected to the heart and the spirit of life. Are there any more messages for Virgo? Wow, we have Dawn Watcher. I feel like there's actually 3 that wanted to come through. Dawn Watcher, Tree of Souls, And the mother awakens. Wow. There are so many new beginning and doorway messages. Look at these doorways here. So this one says collective wisdom, kinship group, and library. So you're a part of this group of people who are very wise, and they tap into that consciousness that permeates all things. And you are this caretaker or guardian of this new beginning, and you're being supported by all of life, by Mother Earth, by nature, on this mission that you're on. And we have this other birth and beginning message with the Mother Awakens. It's like she has the support of her partner here, and she's sending out this rainbow to all of life. And this one says compassion, nurture, and guidance. So this almost feels like this is what you do for the world. You're very compassionate. You know how to nurture things that need to grow, and you also give guidance to people who may look to you for example on how to be in this state of joy and gratitude, how to balance your body naturally, and to tap into this wisdom. So if there was a time in the past where maybe you felt like the world was not ready for what you had to offer, the time is right now for you to acknowledge your gifts and talents and to recognize that no one else can do what you do, because you have your own energy signature that is very unique. So let's sum up this reading with a Divine Feminine card. It's one more message for Virgo. We have Miao Shan, the Princess of Mercy. Giving is receiving. The energy of the universe is merciful. So this is another extremely calm and serene energy. This feels like this bird card in the beginning, where you know how to interact with the universe and to be in this ebb and flow, to know the right time to take action and the right time to take a rest and receive. You've been giving so much of your grace and mercy and a listening ear to others. You've been giving things freely, and you're going to see the fruits of your labor come back to you. So I will leave it at that, and I hope you have a beautiful week. Take care.